Understanding the glamour of a film premiere. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into a fascinating topic: the meaning and significance of a film premiere. It's a term you often hear in the entertainment world, but what does it really mean? Let's find out together. The term film premiere refers to the first public showing of a movie. This event is special because it's the first time the film is presented to the public, often before its general release. Premieres are usually glamorous events, attended by the cast, directors, and celebrities. They often take place in major cities like Los Angeles, New York, or London. Film premieres are significant for several reasons. Firstly, they are a celebration of the hard work put into making the film. Secondly, they are crucial for marketing and publicity. By creating buzz around a film, premieres help in attracting a larger audience. Lastly, they are an opportunity for critics and journalists to review the film, which can impact its success. There are different types of premieres. 1. World premiere, the first ever showing of the film, anywhere in the world. 2. National premiere, the first showing in a specific country. 3. Red carpet premiere, a high-profile premiere event with a red carpet, where celebrities walk and pose for photographs. Film premieres are known for their exciting atmosphere. There's often a red carpet, where stars of the film and other celebrities make their grand entrance. The air buzzes with anticipation, and fans gather to catch a glimpse of their favorite stars. Interviews and photo sessions add to the vibrant ambiance. So, that's what a film premiere is all about. It's not just the first showing of a film, but a grand event full of glamour, excitement, and crucial for the film's success. We hope this video has been informative and entertaining. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.